Hey, today I'll show you how to log in into your Gmail mail account. So shortly, what you have to do, open an internet browser like Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge or however, and into the search bar try to search mail.google.com and hit enter, and you will end up on this page. To log in into your account, press on this sign in button from the top right corner, and if you see here your account, press on your account as I can see mine, or if you can locate your account, press on use another account, type here your Gmail address, let me type mine really quick. Okay, press on next, and now you have to type your password here. Let me type my password really quick. Alright, let's hit next again, and I have to confirm this authentication from my phone. You either have to do the same to go to your phone, you'll receive a notification on which you have to press yes, it's me, or either Google will try to send you a verification code via your mobile phone number or an alternate email address. You'll have to get your verification code from there, from your phone, or either your email, depends on what you choose. Put it on the screen, and then you can continue. Let's press on not now, I don't want that pin, and Google of course will not ask for that verification call every time you sign in. So this is how to log in into your Gmail mail account. I hope it helped you and I hope you have a great day.